Hi friends, I'm Stephanie, speech language pathologist, and I'm here to help you feel confident in supporting your little through their speech and language journey. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. I've recently talked about how we can use sound effects to help our littles babble, but the question is, how do we do that? All of these strategies are going to work the best if we're able to easily embed them in our daily routine. That way, it's naturally happening and you're not having to go out of your way to use these strategies. So today, let's talk about how we can implement these strategies of using sound effects throughout our day. So let's start with mealtime. One thing we want to keep in mind when we're making these sound effects is the focus is not on the specific speech sounds that we want to work towards, but it's actually towards our littles learning how to move their mouths, use the power in their voices, and making these sounds. So some sounds that we use in sound effects might not be directly applicable to our language, and that's okay. As long as we're making sounds, it gets our littles making the sounds. Another thing to keep in mind is that fun is where learning happens. So you want to make it fun and just embed it naturally in their language. So with mealtime, we can slurp it up, or we can or ah for the spoon to come in. What about in bath time? What are sound effects we can use in bath time? Well, when the water comes down, we can the water down. We can scrub. We can also go whoop, whoop, and wipe their faces off. We also dress our littles every day, sometimes multiple times a day. And that's really one of the biggest language opportunities. As you pull it up, it can whoop up, or you can pop feet out, pop, pop. You could also have to work hard to pull it up. So all those sound effects are great opportunities for you to embed this sound effect strategy in your day naturally. Let me know in the comments where you find good opportunities for you to embed sound effects. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss anything. Talk to you later.